Hello everybody, this is Anthony, also known as CrypticNexus, and today we've got a thing. So let's check out that thing and see if it will replace my other thing. Okay, so this is the thing. It is a mini DisplayPort to HDMI, DVI, and VGA adapter with no space. It is CableDeconn. There you go. And that's, yeah. I don't have to open it. There it is. It works. Woo. No. So let's check out this thing. So currently I have okay, so currently I have one of these, not like this in particular. Mine's more square and less rectangle, and man, that thing's light. And there's no screws. Cool. Anyways, oh, what? Shit, fuck. Holding the phone the wrong way. Just love that sound. Anyways, so this, as it said, is mini DP to VGA, HDMI, DisplayPort, DVI. And on this end we have CE mark, power, audio out, or in, whatever. And it comes with a USB port for power and your mic cable. So the reason this would need powered would be for the if you're using more than one port on it. Other than that, it shouldn't need powered at all. So currently I have one of my displays plugged into it. So I think it's this. So let's find out. Pull it out here and unplug it. Yep, it's that display. Alright, let me grab my old one and I'll compare them. Okay, so here is my old one. So on this one, the HDMI and the DisplayPort do not work, but the DVI does, which is awesome because I would have been screwed without this. But now I don't have one for my laptop bag, so I got this one. This one will become the new laptop bag one, but I want to make sure it works. Let me find some things and I'll pop this open. Okay, so here is the inside. So on this side we have focus. Whoop, upside down. AMS 1117. BS00E3F. Another 1117. And we got a RTC clock. And flip it over. So our power in comes on right there. And it's grounded to there. It comes over to this there. Alrighty. Well, I don't know what that does. But, alright. So that just confuses me. So there's our VGA. Oop, there's our main chip. Maybe. Come on. LONTIUM. Lontum. LT or L1861-2C. I can't read the rest of it. And that's really about it. Video comes in. We have a lot of passive stuff. And it goes into this, and then it goes out to the VGA and all the other connections. Oh, stupid focus. Yeah, as you can see, it could have had a Displayport on it too. I don't know if... Yeah, it looks like that is a direct connection to the mini Displayport. Doesn't even go to the micro, which it shouldn't. So, that is pretty cool. Anyways, yeah, I'm not going to open that one. We don't care about this. So let me put this back in the box case, and I'll hook it up to my monitor. So let's make sure it works. Alright, doesn't even look like I took it apart. Always love when you do that. So let me hook this up to this, and yeah. And there we go. White one's still connected, or disconnected, and we have display. As you can see, there it is. So, it works. So, I don't even know what it's called. The CableDeconn. It is a mini Displayport to VGA, DVI, and HDMI. And it works for DVI to Displayport, so that's awesome. If you want to see the other ports in use all at the same time, tell me down below and I'll make the video. So anyways, this has been Anthony, also known as KrypticNexus. If you liked the video, give me a like. If you dislike the video, you know what to do. Give me a like. And I do this stuff 3 times a week. Sometimes we get bonus videos on the weekend. If you really liked, subscribe. Anyways,